India's medical community is gearing up for a significant nationwide strike as the Indian Medical Association has announced a 24-hour shutdown starting tomorrow. The strike comes as a response to the ongoing rape murder case in West Bengal that doctors feel has not been adequately addressed by the authorities. This move is set to impact hospitals and clinics across the country, including in Goa, where doctors will also be participating in the strike. Starting at 6 am on August 17th, the Indian Medical Association has called for a 24-hour nationwide strike. The protest, which will see doctors from across the country, including Goa, participate, aims to draw attention to pressing concerns within the healthcare sector.
We are going to protest. We are going to shut down OPD services nationwide from 7 a.m. Saturday, 6 a.m. Saturday to 6 a.m. morning Sunday for 24 hours. This is a nationwide call and that's why we are here. Our demands are as follows. Number one, the culprit has not been arrested as yet. We demand an impartial inquiry into this case, a thorough probing, thorough investigation, unbiased inquiry, and get the culprits on board and give them the punishment apt deserved as per the law.
We are strongly protesting आणि हे जालें ते जालें ताजे वयरसून जे वँडलिजम जालें न्ही तातूंत तर खूबच वायट दिसलें. हाच्या पयलीं तशें केन्नाय जावंक ना. इट इज फर्स्ट टायम दॅट ते इतको मॉब आयलो तांणी सगळीं वखदां सगळीं पिड्ड्यार लायखाची वखदां सगळीं पिड्ड्यार केली तो फ्रीज पिड्ड्यार केलो कॅज्युअलिटी सगळी पिड्ड्यार केली वीच इज नॉर्मली फॉर एमर्जन्सी पिरियडाक आनी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट तांकां थंय वचपाची सेमिनार रुमान वचपाची गरजूच नाशिल्ली. तुमकां जर सपोज डेमो दिवंक जाय आसलो की आमकां तुमी दोतोर रॉंग करता म्हणून जाल्यार तांणी फक्त तितको जो थंय बसतात that could have vandalized, but they purposely went to that area where she was murdered and they vandalized everything so that no proof is left. This is a clear sign that this is a nexus between police, the culprits and everybody around in the Banga. So we expect what Saran सांगला तशें which is very simple आमचे आसा मागण्यो त्यो मागण्यो जावच्यो दिसता.
So we are also here to express our solidarity with the victim, the families, and the present situation, the lack of justice that is visibly seen, lack of action that is not being taken, and the doctors and colleagues have already briefed you all on the fact that safety in the workplace. And in our dental field, we see most who are our practitioners are young ladies, and many of them have isolated single practices and which function till late in the evening, and it is really of concern, and we share the sentiment and we express full solidarity with our colleagues and the victim and the family.
Colonel Parag Prabhu Desai, ex-Indian Army. I am representing Indian Dental Association Goa branch. I have come here to support humanity. I have come here to support IMA Goa and IMA India.
We totally protest this heinous crime and we give full support and solidarity to the victim and their family. हे कितें जालां तें सामकें वायट जाल्लें आसा आनी अशी बाब आमच्या भारतांत जावप हें खूब दुखाची बाब आसा.
आज जे जाल्लें आसा तें there is a heinous crime. Nobody can support this. Plus this has to stop somewhere and there has to be protection to be given, as Dr. Salkar just now said. Plus आमकां अशें दिसता की आज हें जर त्या तांकां जावंक शकतालें फाल्यां आमच्याय फिल्डान कोणाकूय जावंक शकता आनी आमचो लेडीज वर्कफोर्स सुद्दां इतलो आसता की जर प्रोटेक्शन ना जाल्यार काम जावपूच शकना. सो आय अपील टू ऑल द बॉडीज टू come in large numbers tomorrow and express solidarity with IMA and also all the bodies that will be present there. Thank you.
Representing the Trainers Association of Goa State Branch and President Nirima Rani. I support victims demand. I support demand of IMA Goa Branch. I support Indian Medical Association's demand, and also I urge with government to provide proper lighting area means in-campus learning, security, safety of female employees. We need to ask government now that even resident campus inside the compound of the medical college, not from away from 2 meters, 3 kilometers away. Now present system we have no in-campus accommodation for doctors and nurses also. Nurses don't need more accommodation, only they wanted a restrooms. But there is also no provision is there as well today.
Doctors from across the state have condemned the incident, calling for justice and improvement in women's safety.
First of all, I want to condemn the heinous crime that has been conducted on our fellow colleague, a medical student in Kolkata. And in wake of this, there will be a protest that will be held tomorrow. And we'll be joining the IMA Goa State Branch along with our colleagues from the Goa Private Dental Practitioners Association. We'll be meeting at 9 o'clock at Azad Maidan, and there will be a silent protest in wake of this.
जी कोलकाता RG कार हॉस्पिटल कॉलेज हांगा जी घटना घडली, मर्डर जाले आनी तेजे रेप जालो, प्लस आनी सेकंड एक इन्सिडेंट जालो, हेजेर हांव खूब निषेध करता आनी लोकांक परतून एकदा लोकां कडेन मागता की आमकां डॉक्टरांक बरे भशेन लोकांनी सहकार्य करचे आनी व्यवस्थित आमच्या भारत देशाक बरे भशेन घडोवचो अशें.
Goa 365 team.